Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Today we're creating this gorgeous ruffled hem dress, so let's begin. Begin by folding your fabric in half and half again. Use a loose fitting top as your pattern. Carefully position along the fold and pin around the armhole curve. Then cut around the top, leaving enough for seam allowance. Measure and cut how long you want the dress to be. Keep in mind we'll be adding a 10-inch ruffle piece to the hem of the dress. Extend the front bodice neckline by 6 inches. Cut a diagonal line to create a V-neck. Pin the bodice pieces right sides together at the shoulders, ready for stitching. For the sleeves, fold the fabric in half and then half again, just like so. Use the sleeve of your top as a pattern. Carefully position this on the fold. Trace around the armhole curve using a fabric marker pen or pins, as I have. Carefully cut around the curve. Now measure the length of your sleeve. Mine was 13 inches. And carefully cut. Trim the corners to mark the center. And here you have your two complete sleeve pattern. For the ruffles at the bottom of the dress, measure and cut 2 strips measuring 50 by 10 inches wide. Now cut a 1-inch wide strip to use for the neckline. You should now have all your pattern pieces ready and ready for stitching. Begin by stitching the shoulders together. Open the dress to expose the armhole. take your sleeve and hem the bottom just like so. Once you've done this, position the sleeve on the armhole right sides together. Then pin the sides of the sleeve and the middle. Now pin the rest of the sleeve in place, working from the side to the center. At this point, if you have any excess material, you can create gathers at the center. Once you've done this for both sides, you can stitch the sleeve in place. Here's your complete sleeve. Now repeat for the other side. Now for the ruffles of the dress, hem the bottom. And once you've done this, create a gathering stitch on the other end. Then place the ruffle piece on the dress right sides together. Pin and stitch, and do this for both sides. Next, you need to pin the sides of the dress and stitch to finish the dress. Carefully stitch the sides, making sure all the corners meet up. Now to complete the neckline, pin the strip right sides together. Pin all the way around the neckline. Now stitch the strip in place close to the neckline. Now fold the strip into the neckline twice and secure with a top stitch. And here's the complete neckline, and that completes the dress. Here's the final look. I've added a belt to this look. You can watch one of my previous videos to learn how to do this. I'll link it down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.